I wonder how in the world I'm gonna start this video. Let's just get into it. Hey everybody, it's Jay Ball, Blue Jays Outdoors. Hopefully you guys are having an awesome day. Welcome to 2023. This is kind of my kickoff, I guess, to the value-added content that I'm focusing on for this entire year. So I've took a little bit of a hiatus for the past 2 weeks, trying to just wrap my head around what I want to do with 2023. I mean, really what I want to do with Blue Jays Outdoors in the future. I'll be honest, in 2022, I got wrapped up in trying to make trendy, I guess, cool content and videos, and guys, that's just not me. I've really tried to create a place where we can all come together as a fishing community, learn and share our experiences, and try to just grow together and try to help you guys catch more and bigger fish. So that's what we're all gonna do. That's what we're gonna do in 2023, is just continue on this path of making value-added content. So one thing that I wanna talk about is not just, like safety in general when you're ice fishing, but just what I keep in my truck actually all winter long, whether I'm at the boat ramp, getting ready to go ice fishing, or when I'm just driving around. These are some things that I have in my truck at all time. I don't see a lot of people talk about this kind of stuff, and that's why I like to talk about it, because not a lot of people share this kind of content because it's probably kind of boring. I get that, but I want you guys to learn from my mistakes. So one of the very most important things that I have with me at all times in the wintertime in my truck is some sort of shovel. So you see I've got two shovels here. I've got a plastic snow shovel, and then I've got this metal flat shovel for digging yourself out, digging a buddy out, whatever. This stuff really necessarily isn't for me, but if I am going down the road and see somebody stuck, I want to try to help them out. I've always got some sort of shovel. Also too, I've got some sort of way to melt snow and ice. So this is the Prestone driveway heat. I love this stuff. It actually works quite a bit better than salt. I don't work with Prestone, but I can tell you I've used this stuff for like the past 6 or 8 years since I moved back to Michigan, and I always have a ton of this stuff. At least 2 containers in the truck. I've got a bunch of these back home 20-pound bags that I use to fill these up. So again, some way to melt snow or ice. At least 2 shovels, or at least 1 shovel, I should say. I've always got my boots in my truck as well. So these are my lacrosse boots. These are the ones I covered in Flex Seal. They're actually holding up pretty good. I've always got my boots in my truck no matter what, but then I also too have my ice cleats as well, just for traction, slip and fall. If you're trying to dig somebody out, or if you're walking around, out and maybe not like a parking lot, I've always got my ice cleats with me as well. One thing I don't have out here, because I guess it wasn't as prepared as it should be, is some sort of tow rope. So I have 2 big tow straps actually in the truck as well. Again, just in case I run across somebody that's in the ditch, or myself, if I go in the ditch and I can't get out, I want to have something to be able to tow myself out or tow somebody else out. So if you see someone on the side of the road, you think you can safely help them, or if I can safely help them, I'll try to do that. So hope you guys enjoyed this really short kind of kickoff to the 2023 value-added content. Again, this stuff might not be that cool, might not be that sexy or fun to talk about, but this is the kind of stuff that I want to show you guys and share with you guys, and try to bring as much value as possible to the Blue Jays Outdoors community. So thank you so much for all your support. I cannot thank you guys enough. And yeah, stay tuned. 2023 is going to be an exciting year. Got a ton of awesome content on the way. Going to do a ton of collaborations with some other content creators. Hopefully try to fish with some of you as well. So again, cannot thank you guys enough for your support. And remember, the easiest way to change your attitude is by showing gratitude. Thanks, and we'll see you next time, hopefully on the ice or on the water. Stay tuned for more.